Hello everyone, and welcome to break 2064 for the 2020 Hit Parade NFL Draft exclusive. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current dates and times according to eBay. It's Wednesday, May 13th, 12:39 a.m. Eastern Time. It's Tuesday, May 12th, 2020. It's 11:39 p.m. Central Time and 9:39 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Beak 2, Spots, Purple 1, Endless 2, Laddie Cards 6, CR Mag 1, Mac 2, CBD Cards 4 spots, Bryant 1, Mac Will 1, Dave 1, Rupee 1, my card spot 1, BE with 2 spots, Brian 1, Jeff with 3, Phil with 3 spots. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. We have Beak on top, Phil on the bottom. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Dave on top, purple on the bottom. Dave, you have the Arizona Cardinals, Beak Falcons, Phil Ravens, Mac Bills, CR Mag Panthers, Endless Bears, Mac Bengals, Phil Browns, Laddie Cards with the Cowboys, CBD Cards Broncos, Laddie Cards Lions, Brian Packers, Phil with the Texans, Mike Will Colts, CBD Cards Jaguars, Laddie Cards Chiefs, CBD Cards Raiders, Chargers, Bryant Rams, Laddie Cards Dolphins, Beak with the Vikings, Rupee Cards with the Patriots, Laddie Cards Saints, Giants, Jeff with the Jets, BE with the Eagles, Endless with the Steelers, BE with the 49ers, my card spot Seahawks, Jeff Buccaneers, Titans, and purple with the Washington Redskins. So here we are, all sealed up. Good luck. So we'll see who they were drafted by, or we have an NFL team on the card. That's where the card will go. Once, twice, and we have Terry McLaurin, 13 out of 99, rookie auto for the Washington Redskins. Very nice Redskins rookie auto, Terry McLaurin. Alrighty, solid rookie year. Let's see who has, from the Ohio State University, let's see who has the Washington Redskins. The Washington Redskins is going to Purple. Congrats, Purple. That was break 2064 for the 2020 Hit Parade Football NFL Draft exclusive. We want to thank each and every one of you for getting in the break and all of you watching. If you haven't already, please click that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. We're a few subscribers away from 1,000. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at p2j-sportscards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot. And then up next, we have break 2068 for the 2020 Hit Parade Limited Football Card Edition. Thanks.